If you're not yet using this AI tool, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to make money online from home in 2024. In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can use this secret AI tool to make up to $900 every single day, right from the comfort of your own home.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
First, let me point out that this strategy does not require you to have followers on social media. It doesn't need paid ads. You don't need a website. And best of all, it doesn't require any significant investments. Take a look at my result. I've been making a lot of money with this method. Right now, I have $269 pending payment, and I've earned a total of $9,235 from this platform. In today's video, we're going to explore completely free ways to start making thousands of dollars online with affiliate marketing, utilizing artificial intelligence. Stay tuned till the very end because I have something that's going to blow your mind. Introducing the AI tool. Hello everyone, welcome to Dracula Money Lair. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how you can start using AI to create an online business with zero investment. With this tool, you won't need to spend a lot of money and time juggling multiple different tools because it is an all-in-one AI solution designed for entrepreneurs looking to build an online business. This powerful AI offers an AI article wizard, AI rewriter, AI images, AI voiceover, and a variety of templates to support your needs. Streamline your workflow and maximize your productivity with this comprehensive tool. Today, I'll be demonstrating the AI chat function by selecting our assistant, Kada Shitchin, a social media influencer. First, let's make sure our assistant understands our needs with the following command. I want to start an affiliate marketing business with $0. What are the steps I need to take from start to finish to bring maximum revenue? And how can you help me achieve that? And boom, as you can see, it has given us a detailed step-by-step plan of what we actually need to do. Choosing your niche. What's next? We're just getting started. The next thing we need to do is ask our assistant to provide us with a list of 10 niches that have high search volume, but low competition. Most people only focus on the big three: health, finance, and relationships. But why not try something a bit different? Because there is gold to be found in those niches. Alright, so let's say, give me a list of 10 sub-niches related to AI that have high search volume and low competition. Also, give me social media optimization for each one of them. Alright, let's make a small change here and focus on one of my interests, AI. We'll hit enter, and as you can see, Dracula AI is providing all the information I requested. AI in healthcare, AI in education, AI in finance, AI in marketing, and more. Creating a content strategy. Once the assistant has given you your sub-niches, you'll want to choose the one that fits you best. You'll also want to create a social media profile on the platform where you plan to generate content. The great thing is, you can actually use the command I'm about to share to have the AI create content for you. So, let's dive in. Give me a 30-day content strategy in the AI in marketing. I'm going to be posting 2 videos a day on Instagram. Give me content ideas related to current trends so that my videos are picked up by the algorithm quicker. And we'll hit enter. As you can see, it's starting to provide the information right here. This will give you 30 days worth of content ideas that you can actually start creating. Look, here's week 1, week 2. This tool is incredibly powerful for planning your content strategy, ensuring you always have fresh and engaging topics to cover. With this detailed plan, you can maintain consistency and keep your audience hooked. Next, let's use the AI writer to create a video script. I'll copy the title of day 1's video, paste it into the AI writer, and select video scripts. Choose creative and boom, we have a perfect video script ready to go. Next, we'll use AI to create a complete video from our script. But wait, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel before we move on. Gathering content. Alright, the next step is to edit the script a bit, removing any unnecessary parts. Head over to CapCut.com and select the script to video function. Paste your script into the text editor, choose the appropriate video size, and hit generate. See the magic? With just a few simple steps, we have a complete video. Now, all you need to do is adjust the visuals, add some effects, and you're done. Amazing, right? If you found this video helpful, please comment amazing below to give me the motivation to create more useful videos. You'll have completed 70% of the work, all with just a few simple commands. Promoting affiliate products. Now, what you need to do is head over to ClickBank. This is a website filled with thousands of affiliate marketing products that you can promote for free. I've already created a tutorial on how to use and select products on ClickBank. You can check it out via the link in the description below. In this video, I'll use Dracula AI as an example. After signing up for an account, go to the affiliate program section. All you need to do is copy and paste the affiliate link into the bio section of your chosen social media platform. It's very, very simple to do. Finally, let's return to Dracula AI and enter one last command. Now, this is a bit of a big command, but here it is. I'm making a content strategy based on the content you provided. Give me 3-sentence scripts for 30 videos, which will include a pain point in the AI niche, a desire in the second line, and a CTA in the third line. Make the CTA for them to read the caption. Also, generate captions for each of the videos that are eye-catching, and make the reader keep reading. Make it at least 150 to 200 words long, and include a CTA where the audience should check out the link in my profile to solve the pain highlighted in the video script. And then you have your caption right here. Absolutely fantastic. It will provide all of this for you. Then, you just need to put everything together in your video using CapCut and upload them to Instagram. Now you have 30 days of content ready to go. The best part is how quick it is to start. You can begin creating this right now and have your first affiliate marketing business set up in just a few hours. As promised, to make this even faster, you'll find all the commands in the description below, so you can simply copy, paste, and tweak them to fit your niche. Super simple. Conclusion. There you have it. Folks, a complete setup for your affiliate marketing business. If you're eager to dive deeper and truly establish your affiliate marketing empire, be sure to check out my comprehensive training program on my website, Blockbuster Affiliate Marketing. The link is in the description below. That's a wrap for this video. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.